My name is Christian Doxakis. I'm a senior here at the University of Houston. My major is Kinesiology.
I'm Larissa Liu. I am a Kinesiology major and I'm a junior.
So our project for SURF revolves around spinal cord stimulation, specifically transcutaneous spinal cord stimulation on Parkinson's patients.
We're trying to discover whether it's a viable and efficient treatment for Parkinson's symptoms. Essentially, Christian and I have been working in collaboration the entire time along the way, so every step of the way we do the same work, but we essentially divide it.
We have to understand every little detail of why we're doing the project and why are we measuring these outcomes and how will our intervention really affect the patients and get a good grasp on that.
Dr. Adam Thrasher, he's held our hand along the way but also helped us become independent in our research in a sense. He essentially guides us and steers us the right way, but he lets us learn from our mistakes and build on essentially the framework that he provides us. And so he's done so much for us.
So I've been able to really grow not only my knowledge of the subject, but understanding what it really takes to be a researcher. You know, how do you search databases to find the exact things you need? How do you critically analyze, your own work that's going into your trial and say, okay, this is where the holes are, this is where we can poke at it. The SURF program has taught me about just what it really takes to be a researcher. It's taught me how to, critically analyze sources for data. It also has taught me that, research itself is always a collaborative effort. As you're crafting something, it's never going to be perfect if you're just making it on your own, and you always need to have a soundboard to bounce things against and also poke holes in what you're doing.
Especially working in the lab, working with my partner, working with Dr. Thrasher, I learned a lot about what it takes to kind of start a project, because essentially when we think about research, we're just imagining, oh, okay, we're going to go in the lab, we're going to get to work with patients. But really there's a lot of time and effort and research that goes into it beforehand. And so it's really helped me understand the process of it all.